We'll do a small exercise after this so that I can make you understand what exactly I'm talking about. Right? Now, elimination when required, as I've told you, same thing, elimination when required, when you are close to two things. You have understood the passage completely, you have understood the demand of the question completely, you're stuck between two options, and you think that these things are actually inclining towards or pointing towards one answer. Then you can use elimination. Right? Now, as I've told you, if whether you should be attempting a question or not in which you are confused depends on the risk-reward ratio. In simple terms, it's not only about legal reasoning, it's about the entire paper. So what I usually tell to student is whenever you feel confused with a question, first thing to write down what is your confusion. Now that you have read the passage, you have come to the questions, right? Don't just skip the question. Write down something there, right? I came to the question, I visited the question, I read the question, but I am unable to figure out whether it's between A and B. I am unable to figure out what is the meaning of this particular word in the context of passage. So write it down there. The confusion is this, and then move on. Save some time for the the end. Come back again to that question. Now, again, you don't need to read the entire passage and everything. You have already written there. You have scribbled there that you got stuck with this one thing. So again, start analyzing from there. So if you're confused, the best thing is to mark and keep it for the end. Remember this, when I say mark and keep it for the end, the mark is not about just the star mark that you will do it at